Dr. Mattias Desmet's concept of mass formation psychosis is a theory proposed to explain certain societal phenomena, particularly during times of crisis or upheaval. Here's a detailed breakdown. Desmet, a clinical psychologist from Belgium, developed this theory to understand the behavior of large groups of people in response to significant events, such as political movements, pandemics, or wars. He observed patterns in collective behavior during such times and sought to explain why individuals within these groups sometimes exhibit seemingly irrational or extreme beliefs and actions. Desmet suggests that during times of crisis, individuals may form a psychological bond with others in society, creating a collective mindset or mass formation. This formation is characterized by a sense of shared identity, purpose, and emotional arousal within the group. He uses the term psychosis metaphorically rather than clinically, suggesting that individuals within the mass formation may adopt beliefs or behaviors that diverge significantly from reality, similar to how individuals experiencing psychosis may have distorted perceptions of reality. Desmet identifies 4 key conditions that contribute to the formation of mass psychosis: isolation, lack of meaning, freezing of psychological development, and free-floating anxiety. These conditions can lead to feelings of loneliness and vulnerability, increasing susceptibility to group dynamics, create a vacuum that individuals seek to fill through identification with a collective identity or ideology, inhibit individual psychological development, and create a state of free-floating anxiety, which individuals may seek to alleviate by conforming to a dominant narrative or ideology. Desmet suggests that mass formation psychosis can have profound consequences for society, including the emergence of authoritarianism, the suppression of dissent, and the escalation of conflict between different groups or ideologies. Individuals within the mass formation may exhibit behaviors such as unquestioning obedience to authority figures, the demonization of perceived outsiders, and the rejection of evidence that contradicts the dominant narrative. Desmet emphasizes the importance of understanding and addressing the underlying social and psychological factors contributing to mass formation psychosis. He suggests that promoting critical thinking, fostering social connections, and addressing systemic inequalities can help mitigate the risks associated with mass psychosis and promote a healthier societal discourse. Overall, Desmet's concept of mass formation psychosis offers a framework for understanding the dynamics of collective behavior during times of crisis and the potential consequences for individuals and society. This was brought to you by Insight Resources.